Alright guys, I wanted to do a quick review and unboxing on my Fusion Pro Deep Massager. I'm going to show it to you right here. This is by hands down one of my favorite massage tools out there. And it comes with this nice case that I got right here, so I want to show you everything that it comes with. It's honestly very nice to have this carrying case because you don't want to just be carrying this bad boy around, but look how cool this looks. Like one of the more like stylish looking ones for sure. So you get a charger right here, just plug it in right there, and then it comes with 6 different styles that you can attach to right here. So it has these right here, and then these right here. For the example, I'm going to use this one. Literally put it right there. And what I like is, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And this will light up. We'll hit this power. So as you can see, it's literally ready to go. So now just start hitting that plus, and this starts to go. So one of the coolest features that I found around this massager is, look at how far this will go. So normally they only have 3. Right there, it's at 10. This will go all the way to a 20 intensity setting. So, I mean, if you're looking for a deep tissue massager, this is definitely it right here. Especially now, like if you're hitting the gym or anything like that, or just after work, like this is the best. Super, super awesome massager. Definitely one of my favorites from Fusion. This Fusion Pro is definitely a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend it.